TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 44. NASDAQ is off 10. S&Ps are down 5.5. We have the gold contract up $4.40, traded at $1,246. Gold's going after that high, folks. I expect you're going to see it go after it today or tomorrow. Maybe the jobs number is going to do it tomorrow. We have the silver contract up 5 cents at $15.08. Copper is still on the move. That's up at $2.19 a pound. You have light sweet crude off 18 cents, $34.48. Oil market, folks, is building cause to get into that swing point of that $36 level. Now, 10-year notes are down 2 ticks, 129.08. 30-year bond is up 6 at 162.27. Both the 10 and the 30 continue to give the best information out, most consistent information. What is that today? Bottom line is that we had the Dow down 90 and bonds still wouldn't go higher. What that's saying, folks, is that bonds want lower price, markets want higher price right now. King dollar. King dollar failed on price, failed on volume. You're down you're down 476 right now, 97.75. What I expect you're going to see, King dollar is going to go after its lower swing point. You got the euro up 66 right now at 109, and the yen is trading at 113.56. We go over and we take a look at the SPY. What you have with the SPY is this, folks. The benchmark from the December 18th low there is 199.83. Bottom line is that we hit 199 yesterday. I expect you're going to not only get into that area, it looks to me like this thing wants to get up into where we gapped away from on December 31st, going into January 4th. That number in the S&P, in the SPY, is 203.87. If you're looking at the cash S&P, what you're looking at is this. The cash S&P right now is at 1979. That number is a big number. That number is 2,043. So what's that? That's 63 points away. That's where I expect this thing wants to go. We go take a look at the NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? Bottom line, 3 Qs also had taken its swing point out, took it out with volume. We're trading 105 right now. You have 109.83 to 111.84 as game on this run. Gold. What do we have with the gold contract? Bottom line, folks, is that this gold contract has 93,000 contracts today. Each and every time that it's pushing into this swing high, volume is expanded. The last swing high we're talking about is 1254. We've hit 1251.70 already. That's 274,000. That can do that today. I expect it's going to test that area. That's only $3 away. And it very well not only maybe test that area, but get right up into that 1263, set it up that tomorrow you break topside once again in the gold market. Bonds, as I said a little bit earlier, what you have with the bond market, if we take a look at the notes first, what you're going to see is that the notes look to me like they're building cause, and that cause building looks to me like it wants to blow away this low that was established out here yesterday at the 129.06 mark. So with the market down at the open, bonds still couldn't catch a bid. We go over and we take a look at the King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? Bottom line with King dollar is this. King dollar failed on price, failed on volume. It had gone last 4 days higher. Volume dramatically dropped, and what you have today, volume is expanding on the way down. I expect King dollar is going to be running down to this 95.25 area. Right now, we're at 97.70. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or log on to everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.
The Path of Least Resistance is David White's daily trading newsletter, and if you're looking for active trading ideas, then now's a perfect time for a 30-day free trial to this powerful daily trading advisory service. David uses his years of trading experience to offer his subscribers his trading ideas each morning in his Path of Least Resistance newsletter. Using a combination of equity trades along with options, David keeps his subscribers up to date with all pertinent market information with intraday afternoon updates when warranted. Don't miss out on this great chance to get a 30-day free trial to David's daily newsletter, The Path of Least Resistance, with no obligation to pay anything. David has been delivering solid recommendations for his subscribers recently, and if you'd like to see the type of newsletter he delivers every morning, then visit the front page of TFNN and you'll find The Path of Least Resistance under Trading Newsletters. For all the details and to start your 30-day free trial today, log on to TFNN.com now.
No matter where you're listening to TFNN programming, you can always access your favorite shows on demand through TFNN.com. TFNN airs live programming every market day from 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. Eastern, and you can view each program by accessing Tiger TV through our homepage. We even have an easy link for all mobile devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Android devices, located in the top right-hand corner of the TFNN homepage. You can use your smartphone to view Tiger TV, but if you don't have a connection that can keep up with streaming live video, then you can simply visit tfnn.mobi in the browser of your smartphone for live streaming audio of all our programs. The mission of TFNN is to educate our audience directly and interactively through our interactive website and call-in talk shows. TFNN is able to teach all levels of investors the technical skills needed to trade in today's marketplace. In order to get the best information possible, TFNN has assembled the most respected financial minds in the country to provide the most current news and comprehensive advice available. TFNN.com, educating investors.